Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP LaserJet Pro MFP M28 through M31 printer series on your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser and you want to search for HP LaserJet Pro MFP and then space M28 through M31 drivers. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should come back with HP LaserJet Pro MFP M28-M31, so M28, M29, and M31 series drivers. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to scroll down on this page and you want to select the full software solution here. Go ahead and select the download button for that. And then once it's downloaded to your computer, you want to go ahead and open up that file to run it. It should be signed by a verified publisher, and it should say HP Inc. in the name of it. So just give us a moment to finish extracting here. Select yes. And then just follow along with the setup guide here by getting it set up to your computer. Should be a pretty straightforward process on this, guys. Just kind of walking through the agreement here and then accepting the terms. And that's pretty much all you have to do. Then you can just select automatic setup for updates or manual setup to actually connect it to your device. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.